How to view private inventory in Roblox. So what I've done is I've just logged into Roblox here, and we want to find the person whose inventory we want to view. For example, I'll do this person here. So hover over them and then click on view profile. Now, if we just click on the three dots here next to their profile and we click on inventory, we will be able to see all of their items if they're not made private. However, if they are private, what we're going to do instead is go back. I'll click on the three dots here and then I'll go to favorites. Now, if they have added items in favorites here, then they will appear. Obviously, we will not have all of their private inventory added as favorites unless they've done so. But here you can see some of their items which they have favorited even if their inventory is private. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.